Oh, I'm just doing some coloring. See, I love to color things that are colorful and have wings and are fictional. That's right. Birds aren't real. Do you think birds are real? How stupid are you? Birds are not real. You know what? I'll be honest. I was pretty stupid too up until about a week ago, until I found the Birds Are Not Real movement, and I realized that birds are not real. The last bird actually died in 2001. Since then, all of them have been drones. Sent by the US government, specifically the CIA. They've been planning this since the 60s. Also the Chinese government, the Russian government. It's a war on birds across the world. And we were just too blind to see it. Do you believe in birds?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Are you unaware that birds are actually surveillance drones from the government, and we have not had a living bird on this planet in almost 20 years?
I did not know that.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Well, now you know. Now I know what you're thinking. You're freaking crazy, man, but you know what? Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? Because I haven't. I don't know a person who has. That's because they don't exist. They make the pigeons right from adulthood. And sure, baby ducks, you see those all the time. But those are huge. Those are so much easier to replicate than a little baby pigeon. Because you know why? They are following us. Baby pigeons. Tweet, tweet, Mr. Putin. Excuse me, ma'am. Have you seen this bird? You haven't? Okay. Pigeons. See any ducks? Yeah. I didn't think so, because they know I'm following. They know I'm onto them. So all their little duck robots flew away. How's that work? This is propaganda. Going to KFC, figure out what's actually in their food. Because it sure ain't chicken. Gonna get to the bottom of this. I'm gonna talk to the colonel. Real quick, what's your food made out of?
What do you mean?
It says chicken. Is that actually chicken?
Yes. It's actual chicken from the actual chicken farm.
Like a bird.
Right.
Those Chinese think they're sneaky. Leaving their little nest trails around. The CIA was working to take down birds since the early 1960s. When JFK refused, they killed him. Then they killed all the birds, billions over the course of 40 years. And encased some stone. Here we have artistic proof that birds hate minorities. Do you believe in birds?
I do.
Are you for real?
I mean, what is there not to believe in?
Birds have been extinct since 2001. All of them are government drones.
I have thought about that before, actually.
This squirrel is real. Look at all those drones. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon?
No? I've seen pigeon eggs.
But have you seen a baby pigeon?
No.
Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because they don't exist.
You got me. I believe.
You're right.
Yeah.
I did get you. You hear that? Those little tweets are birds. Can you see anywhere? They're just speakers. Look at all this drone food. Here we have the Apollo space capsule, America's first attempt at an electric bird. There's a pigeon. But you know what? It's not with the pigeon. Pigeon babies. I decided the best way to figure this out is to ask one of the experts themselves. This CIA drone that's been following me this whole time. Hey bird, are you real? Answer me. Shocked me. That shocked me. Holy shit. This is real. This is real. Pigeons.